In this short tutorial, you will learn how to stop app notifications on Android devices. App notifications can be quite annoying and disruptive, constantly interrupting daily activities. Luckily, there is a simple solution to regain control over your device's notifications. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Apps. Once you've found it, tap on it. What you want to do next is find the app for which you want to disable notifications. For example, I'm going to select this download manager. After that, tap Notifications. All you have to do next is toggle off this switch over here. And now you've successfully stopped receiving notifications from that particular app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.